Ever wondered how your favorite roses bloom so beautifully? It all starts at a rose farm. This is where the magic happens, where the marriage of art and science takes place. Rose farming isn't just about planting and watering. It's a meticulous process that demands a keen eye, a steady hand, and a deep understanding of the plant's needs. It's a dance between nature and nurture, a harmonious blend of intuition and knowledge. But what exactly goes on behind the scenes at a rose farm? Let's delve in. Cultivating roses isn't as simple as just planting a seed and waiting for it to grow. It's a delicate dance that begins with soil preparation, choosing the perfect balance of nutrients and minerals. Then comes the planting, a process that requires precision and patience. But the work doesn't stop there. Each rose bush requires ongoing care, a labor of love that involves watering, pruning, and protection from pests and diseases. With proper care and attention, the rose bushes start to flourish, ready for the next step. As the buds start to form, the real magic begins. It's a delicate dance of nature, where each bud is gently cradled in the hands of time. The process is both an art and a science, requiring constant vigilance and nurturing. Each rose is carefully monitored, from the moment it's a tiny bud until it blooms into a full, radiant flower. This painstaking attention to detail ensures the perfect bloom. And so, after all that hard work and dedication, we get the beautiful roses we all love. That's just a glimpse into the fascinating world of rose farming. We've walked through the meticulous process, from the art of cultivation to the journey from bud to bloom. Each rose is a testament to the hard work, dedication, and love that goes into bringing these beauties to life. It's an enchanting world, pulsing with color and fragrant with promise. If you enjoyed this peek behind the scenes, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights.